Hey, welcome to Fiat Facts and How-Tos. My name is Jim from Herb Chambers Fiat of Worcester. Today I'll be showing you what to do in the event of a flat tire. Standard on all 2012 Fiats is the Electronic Vehicle Information Center, also known as EVIC. The EVIC monitors tire pressure, fuel levels, outside temperature, and many other things. Today we will see what the EVIC will display when we have a flat tire. So now that we have been notified by the EVIC that our low tire pressure is there, what we need to do is find the tire repair kit. The tire repair kit will be located underneath the driver's seat in a 2012 Fiat 500. So we're going to go ahead, pull the seat forward, come underneath here. You will see underneath the tire repair kit. What we need to do is unbuckle it, grab it, and we'll pull it out. Now that we got the tire repair kit out of the car, let's take a look at it. This tire repair kit, equipped with a Mopar tire sealant, 2 settings on it. On one side, we will find our air. On the other, we will find our sealant. 2 tubing. 1 tubing is clear. This is used for tire sealant. The other tubing, black, will be used to fill the tire with air. In the event of a puncture in your tire, what we need to do is plug this one in first, change the setting so that it is over the sealant, as so, plug the tube in, hit power, and it will automatically fill up for you. Once you're done with the sealant, we're going to switch back over. Once switched back over, plug the black hose in, hit power again, and it will fill up for you automatically. Mind the pressure gauge until you find the correct pressure that matches your tire. So, now that we have the tire repair kit, if you flip it over, you will find where the power slot is. Unplug it from the car for you. Your standard plug-in. Once again, plug it right in. Let's take the tire repair kit out of the car, and we'll place it on the ground next to our flat. Now that we have the tire repair kit plugged in, ready to go in front of the tire, I wanted to show you something. It will illuminate, so if you're using it at night, you can read the gauge still. We have the position set to air. Once again, that is filling. That is the air. Securely attach the hose to the valve and twist until it becomes difficult to twist. Now that the connection is nice and tight, we'll turn the system on. We're going to want to fill it to right about 30. Quick note, a tire repair kit can be used for more than just inflating tires. Located underneath in a storage compartment, you will find a needle to fill balls, basketballs, footballs, soccer balls, anything. And then an attachment piece, balloons, any inflatable toys, located right underneath. Now, putting away the tire repair kit is fairly easy. All we do is follow the grooves built in, apply pressure throughout the hoses, and it'll lay it flat in place. Same goes for the power cord. Continue to wrap it around the base. Once you get to this step here, I don't know if you can see it, but there are little grooves. Put the wire in between the grooves. Any excess wire, tuck in, and push the power in. As stated, just tuck in the little wire, flat, all set. Securely puts right underneath your driver's seat. Use the built-in Velcro straps. Secure to the floor. Buckle will come up over and attach. Congratulations! You now know how to use the tire repair kit. My name is Jim from Herb Chambers Fiat of Worcester. Thanks for watching Fiat Facts and How-Tos. Any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. Be sure to like us and subscribe to us for future videos. You stay classy, Massachusetts.